the gifts from Anton. Should I open them na? Wait, I know what this is. You told me.
Really? Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure. I don't know if you're lying. Pero yan yung binigay niya. 3 lang. 3 lang. 3 lang din yung bibigay ko. I'll open it na. I'll open one muna.
Fine, but you already know what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna open this one. I know what this is. Okay. Oh, it's different from the one my mom has.
Yeah, I know. Looks
I really want it. She didn't give me it. Kasi yung mom ko magbibigay din sana ng ganito for me. So I asked for a black one kasi I know you'd give me the pink one. Hopefully. Do you know my size? Well, it says it's my size. Thank you. I'm excited to wear this. I need house slippers. Let's open another one. What should I open next? This one? Or this one?
this one.
This one. What is this? Of course it's clothing, probably. Oh! It's more bralettes. I wear this every day. But it's the better quality one. Oh, ito yung backless. Oh. Ah, it's stuck. Oh, you got me the shorts also.
Yep.
It's this one. I think this would be good with my. Is it this one? Yung ganon?
Yeah.
Oh, I should have worn this today.
I was going to tell you that kanina, but it wasn't watched yet. Did you count how many?
3? What do you mean?
How many have you opened?
What do you mean? I have one left.
Yeah, how many things?
3, 4, 5. Wait, is this?
You don't know.
I wanna break it. I could probably reuse this. Wait!
Why are you so excited? Oh, there's a box. Oh, you can see it? No! There's some stuff inside.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is something I wanted to do. It's so... I like the size. I thought na it would be
I didn't know it was heavy.
I thought it would be too bulky, pero hindi. Bulky. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's not lighting. I'm so excited. Oh, yes, I brought a pen.
You brought a pen.
I brought a pen. Oh, I feel bad na. Well, actually, I give you a gift na. Ooh, they have, bookmarks. I don't even know what this
Ask
is.
when it came.
When?
Yesterday morning.
Oh! Yesterday morning. Thanks, babe. Wait, I'm gonna put this in the back. Wait. Okay, so it's Anton's turn to open his gift. Ah!
Borrow knife.
Oh.
No, I don't need it. Can I break it?
Look at it.
That's your messenger name.
Yeah, I know. It's simple lang. It's my extra gift to you.
Why you gotta put it in a box with another wrapping paper?
Para mahirapan ka.
Next year I'm gonna zip tie your gift. Look, your tape came off.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. Okay, go.
You want me to open
No,
something
sige.
ahead?
Open that.
No.
No, that one.
Which one?
Tama. That one first. And then this one and then this one.
Wow, Susie Bain. Today you'll see it. It's not focusing, it's on my face. Is this the mentor shirt? Yes.
I don't know if it's cute.
I like oversized shirts anyway. Unless you made it too small.
No, I feel like it's just right. Look at the back.
Wait, that should have been the mentor first.
Because you need more shirts anyway.
No, I don't. Are you saying I wear the same shirts too much?
No, I just, And I just wanna tell you na the pin free.
Okay, yeah, I knew that.
And then it was Jip Young, but I replaced it.
Oh, really? It was different.
This one first.
Why?
Because,
It's food. I feel the noodles. Are you giving back what I gave you?
no.
Okay.
The,
Oh, it's a cheese ramen.
yeah.
Otogi.
Yeah. I couldn't find the one sa
Yeah, I
yung
have
bowl.
something to eat tonight.
It's for when we binge watch Pag-Asa.
What? So you bought it for yourself?
No, I bought one for myself. One for you, one for me. I don't know.
It's another shirt.
Just open
It's
it.
another shirt. It's the Tombahay shirt.
That's not a bar shirt.
From
The family
it's okay to not
shirt.
be okay. The camping shirt. Yeah, the dino shirt.
So we're matching. So the
I
one.
wanted. Common yun. Why moongang? Joke lang.
They don't have it. The one I have is tatlo silang family. So I just gave you that.
But that's still uncommon. I'll change shirt.
What?
Joke lang.
That's it. I gave you a gift na before. Those
I
are
know.
just extra gifts. I was supposed to buy.
I like the dino shirt more than the mentor.
Yeah, that's why I saved that for last.
Because common yung wore it.
This is more expensive.
Dino shirt.
Yeah. By 10, 20 pesos.
Because common yung is more popular.
Because it's okay to not be okay is better.
Yeah. Start up a garbage.
No, it's okay, but the ending.
Garbage ending.
Okay, we're gonna go to Aura now. Oh, my mouth.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You don't know that. I got your gift na.
Liar. Liar.
Is this the one you want?
How would I know? I haven't opened it.
Yeah.
Wow, you bought two.
Two lang.
Yay! Have you tried that?
No. I don't know how to play.
Yeah, you can't.
Let me know. So I haven't clicked ano pa.
Order receipt.
Yeah. Check mo muna kung gumagana.
I'll try it later.
Okay. Got the heavy duty meal, so 4 cheese with onion rings, and then may iced tea na kasama. We just left Aura. Super bilis lang namin sa Aura cause we just ate at 8 cuts and tumingin lang kami ng iPad so that I know what to buy online. Kasi mas mahal yung sa Power Mac store. Center. Same thing. Kasi I think sa online it's 23.
23,999.
No, meron natang 23k. I don't know. Basta mga 23k or 24k tapos dyan 26. So sayang din yun. So yeah. Hopefully, I get my other pad before the year ends. And Anton bought me a cookie from Mo's ba ito dito? Mo Cookies. Tapos yung chocolate chip lang. Cause, I love cookies. Thank you. You also. Thank you. This is the cookie. Nag-melt na yung chocolate. Kaya medyo madumi yung bag. Pero, this is so good. Kahit hindi ko pa natitikman. Actually, pinatikim mo na ba ito sa akin before? I think different flavor. Pero, ayan. I'm gonna try this. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one. Ah! I wish it was a bit softer, pero other than that, pretty good. I am now home. Actually, kanina pa, Anton and I watched a bit of Lucifer a while ago when we got home. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. By the way, I posted on my Instagram an iPad giveaway, and I'll be talking more about that on my next video sa Shopee haul ko kasi it is partnered with Shopee. So hopefully you join. Just go to my Instagram. I'm gonna link it down below. And lahat ng mechanics nandun na if you want to join that. I think we're gonna give an iPad 8th Gen, which is something I really want. I'm planning to purchase that as well. So hopefully you join that. It's really perfect for students like me. So yeah, hopefully you join. I'm gonna link it down below just like I said. And I guess that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I just wanted to film today kasi nag-exchange gift na kami ni Anton, and I think he likes the things I gave him, and I really love all the things he gave me as well. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below any other video suggestions, and I will see you tomorrow for my next video. Bye!